my first graders. So we have been talking about teeth and science, and I want to read you a book that's called Taking Care of Your Teeth. All right, so let's get started. It says, why do you need to take care of your teeth? Your teeth help you eat. So that's probably the first thing we think of is, well, we need them for eating. But they also help you talk and they help you smile. You start off with 20 baby teeth. These are smaller, right? Those teeth fall out and new ones grow. The new teeth are called permanent teeth. You must keep your teeth healthy. Oh, it's so important. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth with water. If you don't brush your teeth, you can get cavities. Cavities are holes in your teeth. So remember we talked about how it starts just on the outside, on the surface, or you can see over here just on the surface. And if you're not brushing it away on the surface, it starts getting deeper and deeper and deeper. And you don't want it to get any deeper. It not only hurts your tooth, but it can hurt and be painful. So you want to make sure you brush those cavities before they get too far. Enamel is the hard outside part of your teeth. It protects them. You can get cavities when you eat something that is too sweet, or you don't brush enough, or you're not flossing. So you want to be careful you protect that enamel. You get cavities when something eats the enamel, so eats at that enamel. Plaque eats the enamel on your teeth. Plaque is a clear film that sticks to your teeth. Plaque has bacteria in it. Bacteria are tiny living things. Bacteria turn sugar into acid. The acid eats the enamel on your teeth. See how it gives you labels where the arrow goes? So you can see this part is the enamel, and then the plaque has bacteria in it, and that starts to eat away at your teeth. Brushing your teeth gets rid of plaque. You should brush your teeth at least 2 times a day. Brush your teeth after you eat. Brush your teeth before you go to bed too. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles. So bristles are that part right there on the toothbrush. Bristles that are too hard can hurt your gums. Your gums are pink and they hold your teeth in place. Use a little bit of toothpaste when you brush your teeth. Always spit out the toothpaste and rinse your mouth with water. It is not good to swallow toothpaste. You don't want to hurt your tummy. You can clean your teeth with dental floss too. After you brush your teeth, you should floss. Flossing gets rid of the food you missed when you brush. Don't eat too many starchy or sweet foods. So remember, sweet foods are okay every so often and just little bits at a time, but you don't want to do a cookie for breakfast, ice cream for lunch, candy for dinner. That would be too much, right? Not just for your teeth, but for your body. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Drink milk too. These foods are good for your teeth. Oh, we talked about how milk is really good for your teeth. They have vitamins and minerals in them. Go to your dentist 2 times a year. So there are 12 months in a year, and if you're going twice, that means you're going every 6 months. Dentists look for cavities and gum disease. They can fix teeth that have cavities. Take good care of your teeth, then you will have something to smile about. Thanks for listening to me read my book. I will talk to you guys soon.